Hello, this is the single monitor gas spring arm. This monitor arm can hold one monitor up to 27 inches and the weight capacity of this monitor arm is 6 kg. This monitor arm gives the monitor the flexibility of all kind of movement. You can move the monitor behind and ahead, and you can also move the monitor from side to side. There is movement from 3 angles. You can move the monitor arm from this angle, as well as from behind the monitor. So it gives you freedom of movement everywhere. It is also freely height adjustable, so you can adjust it at any height, wherever you want. This monitor arm also has rotation, so you can also rotate the monitor if you want to use it in a landscape or a portrait mode, so you can do that as well. You can also tilt the monitor. There is tilting facilities also available. So even if you want to stand and work, the tilting is possible. This monitor arm can be clamped at the edge of the table, or it can also be drilled onto the table. So both the installation options are available. Also, there is cable management from inside the monitor arm. So the cables can go from inside the arm into the table. Thank you.